Okay, so I just did a video on how to create a custom background using Photoshop for Zoom. We're all using Zoom now, or many of us are using Zoom now. I know that my two grandchildren are using Zoom to meet with their teachers and their classmates to do their schoolwork since we're all in social isolation due to COVID-19. And I thought it would be a nice thing to teach some businesses, small businesses and home businesses, how you can up your Zoom game by adding your logo to a virtual Zoom background. So I showed that in Photoshop, but not everybody is as lucky as I am to have access to Photoshop. So I decided that I would bring you, those of you who don't have Photoshop, over to Canva. Canva is a service that you can sign up for. They do have paid levels, but they also have free levels. I actually have the free level. So it's something that everybody can access. And the cool thing with Canva is they already are um, have some Zoom virtual backgrounds. If you log into your account and you go to the search, the design anything search, and put Zoom in, you can see that they already have a bunch of virtual backgrounds that you can choose from. However, what if you want to create one that's all your own? Well, you certainly can. You can start out with the blank up here. And then let's upload our own image. As you can see, I already have some of my own images uploaded here. Like I said in my last video, um, you can always find stock images that you can use of office backgrounds or things like that. I have created some of my own with some of my own artwork. However, um, you can you can actually use anything as a background. So if you aren't the type that wants to create your very own background, then it's easy enough to find one out there. So once you've uploaded whatever background it is that you want to use, you're going to select it and use it in your new page. Drag it right over. And then you're going to resize it to fit. So you're just going to drag these out like this. This one's going to come down here. And there we have the background. But now we actually want to add our logo as well. So again, we're going to go to our uploads. And this time I'm going to go to where I have my logos. Grab my logo. Once it's uploaded, I'm going to use it and pull it over here. Now it's way too big, so you're going to resize that as well. And you're going to want to play around with the placement. And my suggestion is that you keep it a little bit lower than you think you might need and closer to the center, because sometimes the very top of the screen or the sides don't show in the background of Zoom. So I try to bring it down just a little bit more than I think I might need and over a little bit more towards the center. Once you've done that, then you can download your design. And it's suggested that you download it in a PNG. So then we're going to download it. And we're going to save it somewhere where we know where it's going to be. And um, I name it after the artwork that's in the background because that's my artwork, but name it something that you know you're going to be able to find. And that's all we need to do in Canva. So I'm going to pull this down here. The next thing you want to do is pull up your Zoom. I pull it up from the app on my desktop and start a new meeting, because in order to get your virtual background into Zoom, you're going to want to start a new meeting. And then you're going to see my lovely non-makeup face, because I have no makeup on and my hair is probably a mess, but hey, this is all for the purpose of teaching you how to do this. As you can see, I already have a personalized or custom in the background. We're going to go down here next to the stop video, hit this arrow, and choose virtual background. And then in order to upload your virtual background, you're going to hit the plus, the add image, and you can add video back there. And then we're going to find the one that we just created. We want to find the one that has the name that we just created at Canva. Now, in this case, we don't want to mirror the image because you see it's backwards. If you like to mirror your video, then you definitely want to create your image so that the text is mirrored. But it's just as simple as now you have not only a custom background behind you. Look, I'm disappearing. I need a green screen. But you also have your logo up here. And so anybody that you're talking to is seeing your logo. It looks very professional, great for doing business conferences. So I hope that this helps, and love to see your versions of your customized Zoom backgrounds if you make them. Go ahead and share them on my Facebook page, Clariful Advantage Facebook page,